guys, we are here at the tree lot in Tucson, Arizona, and we've got the camper set up here. Right here, we had to put our awning up yesterday. It was really windy. We got our trees in yesterday, first load. It's over 430 of them right there. Autumn is already over here drilling and putting stands on. We've got to get our netter set up. Here's all the buckets and stands. We'll show you how this works. Autumn, you want to tell them what you do?
So, take a tree, bring it over here, press this down, put your tree trunk in there, then you snap it shut to get it centered, and then you open it just a little bit, and you make sure the tree is straight. And then you push that guy up. When the drill's running, it spins and it drills a hole.
It's a drill bit right there.
And it drills a hole in the base of the tree. Then you take a stand that looks like this. Spiky, scary. And you put it in the tree and you hammer it in.
Like that.
I'm not the best at the hammer, but we're figuring it out.
Right. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. Turn it into Christmas Wonderland. Autumn hung all the Christmas lights in here, and we got a couple of bigger ones in here. This guy here I think is about 30 feet tall, so if you need a big Christmas tree, we got big Christmas trees, and we've got little Christmas trees and everything in between. We've got the Frasers, we've got Douglas, we've got, what else? Nordmans and Nobles. So a lot of different varieties. They all have different aspects to them. People like different kinds of trees. That's something we learned last year, was that there is a tree for everybody and there is somebody for every tree. Got this set up. We got the classic leg lamp going on there. Starting to get this stuff worked out. All your goodies to keep your tree alive and dispose of it. Again, we'll show you what it looks like when it's all full.
Oh, we gotta open.
Oh, we gotta open. All right, we're gonna go open the gates. So this is what our lot looks like. You got the tent over here. And then we've got our work area back there. And people will drive right through here to get their tree tied on top of their car. Tree storage over there. We water those down every day, keep them fresh. We've got them uncovered and unwatered at the moment so that we can work with them without getting all soaking wet. As soon as we get some put in here, we'll water the rest of these down and we'll cover them with a shade cloth. And then we park our RV over there. And on this lot, as you can tell, there's generators running. We don't have a power pole on this lot, but Mel, our manager that we're managing the lot for, supplies us with generators and fuel, someone to come pump our tanks, and we do have water hooked up over to the VFW hall over here. So we've got water, we've got someone to pump our tanks once or twice a week, and we've got generators. So then over here, we've got this big light pole, which is also a generator running all the electric and the lights and the cash register and all that in the tent. And then at night, these lights are really bright, lights up this whole area here to keep it safe and help us to be able to work safely. And it draws a lot of attention to the lot. So let's get this thing set up the rest of the way and get selling some trees. It is Black Friday. Go get your Christmas trees. Our whole lot is encompassed by this chain link fence. There's also a porta potty if we need that. So we'll go ahead and unlock, try and keep everything secured, and then lock up all the valuables. Some of our stuff and some of the tools we lock up in here just so nobody walks off with it. Put the generators away each night or chain them up. And we're open. Got a couple of our big trees out here so people can see we got the big ones. We hung up the banners. The outside lights, like the white lights around here that you see here, and the tent, and the white lights on the inside that light up the tent were all set up when we get here, the fence and all of that. We put up like the flags and the Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. All our tools and everything are in the Connex here. So we go set that up, the drill and all of that. But look at this view too. What a beautiful view of the mountains. This is a great site right here. Great spot. Palm trees. Miss the palm trees. All right, let's get to work. Well, good morning. It's a long day yesterday. We got a bunch of trees in. I'll show you that in a minute, but gotta go make coffee. And that means gotta go start the generator. But it is a beautiful morning. Sun is shining again. When we first moved here to Tucson, when we were in the Air Force down here, I think every morning for like 3 or 4 months, I said to Kimberly, I'd run out into the living room and I'd look off our little deck in our apartment. We're actually right down here, just a couple miles down here is where we lived. And I would come out and I'd see that sun shining up there. And I'd say, hey, Kimberly, guess what? The sun's shining again today. Growing up in Michigan, I just couldn't like fathom that the sun shined every single day here. And so I love it. I mean, look, the mountains back there and palm trees. Yeah, baby. Let's get this thing fired up. Go get some coffee.
Electric bikes are for sale.
Not bad for almond milk. Missing my heavy whipping cream this morning though, but that'll work. Let's get to it.
Merry Christmas to everyone.